Bir,
Bir,
iki,
iki,
üç.
üç. Canın sağ olsun.
What is it? Alma.
Alma, it's an apple.
Yes,
I
exactly.
do know that one.
Great.
Üzr isterim.
Super. Perfect. Hi.
Salam.
Are you coming to Azerbaijan for traveling, studying, or maybe moving here? That's great. Of course, many people here understand basic English and Russian, but it would be amazing if you learned some basic Azerbaijani phrases, so we're here to help. And now let me introduce you to my friend Katie, a TV presenter and journalist from the UK who moved to Baku a few months ago, and we are going to teach you Azerbaijani together. Katie, how is your acquaintance with Azerbaijani language going?
I'm getting there. I definitely want to learn more. Basic little things I'm learning. Obviously, in English, we don't have formal versions and not formal versions. So that's taken some time to understand when to use them and remember to use the right version. But hopefully, I'm going to keep learning more.
And did you enroll into some course or you're just learning from your friends?
Just learning from my friends and colleagues at the moment.
Now, let's start from the basics, shall we? Probably your first word in Azerbaijani was
Salam.
yes. And do you know some other greetings?
Salam, you have Necesen, Necesiz.
Uh-huh.
I think they're my go-to.
Necesiz, Necesan is asking how are you?
Yes.
And which one is informal?
Necesen is informal.
Exactly. And Necesiz is formal. So salam is a universal phrase, a very simple word which you can use throughout the day, regardless of formality and the age of the person. And there are some other versions, depending on the time of the day. Do you know how to say good morning? Maybe.
Is it Sabah?
Sabahınız hayır.
Sabah is here.
Sabahınız hayır.
Sabah is here.
Exactly.
Okay.
Great. Sabahınız hayır is good morning. And we also have a phrase for evenings, is akşamınız hayır.
You're going to do that one again.
Akşamınız hayır.
Akşamınız here. Akşamınız.
Akşamınız.
Akşamınız here.
Exactly. And for the afternoon, we don't have a phrase special for that time of day, so you can go with salam. That's totally fine. Now, when we go to a supermarket and want to ask about the price, do you know a phrase for that?
I don't.
Okay, let's learn together. You can point to something and say neçiyade.
Neçiyade.
Neçiyade.
Neçiyade.
Exactly. Neçiyade. How much is this? But if you don't want to point with your finger and say the thing, say the object you're asking the price of, you can add this object to the front. For example, alma neçiyade.
Alma neçiyade.
Yes. What is it? Alma.
Alma, it's an apple.
Yes,
I
exactly.
do know that one.
Great. Alma neçiyade. How much is the apple? People usually say the price in kilograms, but if you want to specify that, you can add it to the front again. 1 kilogram alma neçiyade. 1 is 1, yeah?
1 kilogram alma neçiyade.
Exactly. 1 kilogram alma neçiyade. Or if you're in a museum, we say bilet neçiyade.
Bilet neçiyade.
This is actually a word from Russian. Now, there is one word in Azerbaijani which means two different things. And you definitely know what I'm talking about, right?
Sağ ol.
Yeah. What does it mean?
So I would use çok sağ ol as thank you, but then I would say sağ ol to say bye.
Actually, not. Çok adds like strength to this. Çok sağ ol, many thanks.
Yeah.
Sağ ol is just thanks. And sağ ol alone means bye bye.
Sağ ol, yeah. Is that informal or is that for anyone?
It's informal.
It's
yes.
informal.
To make it formal, you need to add un.
Sağ olun.
Sağ olun.
Sağ olun.
Yes.
That's good to know because I'm not doing that yet, so I should do that. Sağ olun.
Sağ olun. Necesiniz. We add some suffixes usually. Yeah. So sağ ol is informal version for thanks. You can make it stronger by adding çok sağ ol. Adding un makes it formal. Sağ olun, çok sağ olun. That's it. Of course, there are some other synonyms for this word, and one of them is teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür.
Teşekkür
ederim.
ederim.
I am thanking you. It's most famous in Turkish, I can say, but they say teşekkür ederim.
Okay.
Just one letter and stress change. You speak another language. You can also simplify to teşekkürler. Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler.
It's thanks, like in plural. And also to speak Azerbaijani like a pro, you can say minnettarım.
Minnettarım.
Super. From the first try, you see.
Çok sağ ol.
Minnettarım is a bit more formal, and you should use it when you're extremely thankful to a person. That's it. Now, coming to farewells. As we said, sağ ol is used as a farewell in formal version, or you can say sağ olun. Adding çok, which by the way means very and many, is not used here unless you really want to leave that person. Just kidding. Another version would be helalik.
Helelik.
Helalik.
Helelik.
Helalik means bye for now. It's really close to that translation. And we also use görüşerik.
One more.
Görüşerik.
Görüşerik.
Exactly. Görüşmek means to meet. So görüşerik means we'll see each other, we'll meet. Görüşerik, görüşenerek, it's a bit harder one. And also if you want to say let's meet at that time, you can say gel or gelin. Gel is informal, gelin formal. Saat 6'da görüşek. Gelin.
Gelin.
Saat
Saat
6'da
6'da
görüşek.
görüşek.
Yeah. Cool. It means let's meet at, what do you think is 6?
Evening.
No, it's hour.
Hour. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
It's 6.
It's 6. I should learn these actually.
Yes, the numbers.
Yeah.
Numbers. Actually, we can go through them here as well.
Yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
4.
4,
4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
That's it.
Okay.
I don't think you can try it again.
Yeah,
but
no.
You will learn.
No, I'm not going to try.
They are not actually so hard, especially if you like döner. There is a brand 1-2 döner.
Oh, I see.
1-2 döner. You can do with one. So,
yeah.
In case you stepped onto someone's food or took someone else's change, you can say üzr isterim.
Üzr isterim.
Super. Perfect. Üzr isterim or bağışlayın.
Barışlayın.
No re. Bağışlayın.
Barışlayın.
Bağışlayın. It's without R, just her. That's a hard one.
Yeah.
Bağışlayın. Üzr isterim. Let's go with that one. It means ask for your apology or excuse me. Don't forget about a smile or a face of the cat in the boots, depending on the severity of the situation. Now, you're coming to a restaurant in Azerbaijan. Of course, at first you don't need many things to say. You just say salam and they will definitely bring the menu. But if you want to shock them, you can say salam, bize zahmet olmasa İngiliz dilinde menü getirerdiniz. It's hard. Let's go step by step. Salam, bize zahmet olmasa.
Bize
Zahmet olmasa.
zahmet olmasa.
Bize means to us. Zahmet olmasa is a very useful phrase. It's please. Bize zahmet olmasa İngiliz dilinde
dilinde
menü
menü
getirerdiniz. Menü getirerdiniz.
getirerdiniz.
Yes, yes, getirerdiniz. Could you please bring us a menu in English? It's something like that.
Yeah, okay.
But of course, it's not necessary to say this. They will know that you're a foreigner and bring it in English. It's just to shock, surprise them. Next, when you want to order something, you can say bize, for example, hingal ve dolma olsun. Bize hingal
hingal
ve dolma.
pomidor yumurta.
Great one.
My favorite.
Oh yeah. Pomidor yumurta olsun.
Olsun.
Okay, great. This is the simplest version. I think you should learn it and forget about the next part. But if you want something exquisite, you can say bize zahmet olmasa again, hingal ve dolma getirerdiniz. That's a hard verb with many suffixes, but we
Yeah.
use it for formal language. Getirerdiniz.
Getirerdiniz.
Yes, cool. So, Katie, we're about to eat, and let's learn how to say enjoy your meal in Azerbaijani.
So it would be nush olsun.
Nush olsun.
Nush olsun. And I've observed that in the UK it's more intentional, where we would say bon appetit, enjoy your meal, but we would say it in specific ways where maybe we're sat down together or the food has just arrived. But here it's said a lot more casually, and it's said to people that you don't know and people that you're not necessarily eating with, which is quite different to how we would use it.
And you said that it's related to people there not wanting to disturb others.
I think so. Yeah.
That's the point. Yeah, good point.
Yeah, traditionally we wouldn't maybe speak to someone if we're eating. We would let them eat, and yeah, I think we certainly wouldn't say to someone that we don't know, oh, nush olsun. It's quite a new concept that I noticed whilst I was working.
Yeah, good to know. Good to know. If the waiter is coming and asking about the food, do you know the word for tasty? How we say?
No.
Dadlı.
Dadlı.
Dadlı. Yeah.
Dadlı.
It's very similar to Turkish tatlı. You can say çok dadlıdır.
Çok dadlıdır.
Çok sağ ol.
Çok sağ ol.
Yes, çok dadlı, çok sağ ol. It's very tasty, thank you. I know our food is very tasty and you can forget about the world while eating, but when you're ready to walk out your calories and ask for a check, you can say bize hesap getirerdiniz.
Bize hesap getirerdiniz.
Super cool. You're really doing perfectly. You see, I'm sure you will do great. Write in the comments if it's easy for you as well. So there are some really cool native phrases that Katie learned with her friends and is using them. Let's go through some of them. What's your favorite funny phrase that we have?
My favorite at the moment is halal desene. I say that to my colleagues a lot.
What does it mean?
It means good job, well done.
Great. Halal desene. Halal de size. You can actually use it informally, yeah. The same, just size. Halal de size. Great.
Canın sağ olsun.
Canın sağ olsun. Okay. What is that?
So it's if somebody apologizes to you, you would say that in response of oh, don't worry. I think it means be healthy, but it's oh, as long as you're healthy.
Exactly. Perfect. I don't know if you will need it somewhere, but try to remember it. It will make you stand out a lot. And I think that's it. We can stop here because if we go any further, answers in Azerbaijani will get longer and longer. So this is the basics. In case you want to try to learn Azerbaijani online, there are a few channels that I can recommend. I will leave the links in the bio. You can check them out. But if you want some Azerbaijani teaching from me, of course, let me know in the comments as well. I'm actually considering making vlogs in slow Azerbaijani. Maybe some of you would need that. So yeah, let us know in the comments. And how do we say bye-bye?
Sağ ol.
Sağ ol. Görüşene dek.